It's beautiful outside, so I've decided to do our circle time outdoors today. We're going to sing 3 songs. We're going to do a little bit of stretching because we've been all stuck inside for a long time. Even though we can get outside and play on our yards, I think we need to do some stretching. We're also going to do a science experiment called Exploring Color with Vinegar and Baking Soda. You'll need your baking soda, vinegar, eyedroppers, food coloring, an ice cube tray, a foil pan or a 9 by 13 cake pan, and the eyedroppers. We're going to use eyedroppers to drop small amounts of vinegar, colored vinegar, onto the baking soda and see what happens. Okay, so we'll start out with singing our song. So we're going to sing Frere Jacque first. You ready? Frere Jacque, dormez-vous, dormez-vous, c'est la mattina, ding ding dong, ding ding dong. The next song we're going to sing is Alice the Camel. Alice the Camel has 5 humps. Okay, you ready? Alice the Camel has 5 humps. Alice the Camel has 5 humps. Alice the Camel has humps, so go, Alice, go, boom, 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 boom. Alice the Camel has 4 humps. Alice the Camel has 4 humps. Alice the Camel has 4 humps, so go, Alice, go, boom, 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 boom. Alice the Camel has 3 humps. Alice the Camel has 3 humps. Alice the Camel has 3 humps, so go, Alice, go, boom, 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 boom. Alice the Camel has 2 humps. Alice the Camel has 2 humps. Alice the Camel has 2 humps, so go, Alice, go, boom, 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 boom. Alice the Camel has 1 hump. Alice the Camel has 1 hump. Alice the Camel has 1 hump, so go, Alice, go, boom, 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 boom. Alice the Camel has no humps. Alice the Camel has no humps. Alice the Camel has no humps, so Alice is a horse, of course. Okay. Our next song is I'm a Little Teapot. It's a little bit different than you're used to. There is going to be a verse in the middle. So you can follow along. You can try and sing it with me if you like. So I'm going to stand up for this one. So I'm going to move back a little bit so that I'll be viewed in the whole camera and you can see. Okay, so I'll move back and we're going to go. Okay. I'm a little teapot, short and stout. Here is my handle and here is my spout. When I get all steamed up, hear me shout. Tip me over and pour me out. I'm a clever teapot, yes, it's true. Here's an example of what I can do. I can switch my handle and my spout. Just tip me over and pour me out. I'm a little teapot, yeah. Hear me shout. Oh, I'm a little teapot, short and stout. Oops. Here is my handle and here is my spout. When I get all steamed up, hear me shout. Tip me over and pour me out. Okay, so we're going to do some stretches. So everybody can stand up. If you have a space where you can stand up, that's fine. We're going to give ourselves a little bit of stretch. I'll move back so you can see me. Put your arms way up and try and reach the sky. Touch those white fluffy clouds as tall as you can. Slowly, slowly lean over and put our hands on the floor. Okay. Bend your knees a little bit. Then you're going to crawl forward with your hands and stick your bum in the air. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, we're going to go back, walk our hands back, stretch up, come up again. Okay. You're going to put your hands apart, put your legs apart. Then we're going to bend over again and touch the ground. And this time we're going to walk our hands backwards between our legs. Okay. Walk them forward again. Good. Okay. If you can sit down on the ground, that's great. We're going to sit back down. We did a couple stretches. I'm going to stretch out my legs. Oh, spread my legs out and touch my toes. Oh, feel the stretch in your legs. Okay, there we go. Okay, so we've done some stretches. I'm going to move back up closer to the camera. We're going to do our science experiment. Okay, so I have several different colors with me and all the ingredients I need for this activity. I'm just going to move my computer down so you guys will be able to see the science experiment. And it's caught up on my tray. There we go. Okay. I have moved the camera down to the ground so it's easier for you guys to see the science experiment. A little bit more of me in the video than you probably want to see. Okay, so I have several different kinds of food coloring to make our colors. I have a glass baking tray. I'll move the camera down a little bit so it'll be on the, you can see the tray a little bit. Okay, but you can't see me. Oy. Okay, I'll just hold up the tray to show you when we're doing it. Okay, so we've got our tray. I have vinegar. I have some little cups. I'm using small cups for my colored vinegar. I don't own any ice cube trays. I'm using toothpicks to put the food coloring inside the vinegar. I have eyedroppers. I have 6. You don't need that many. And I have our baking soda. So we're going to sprinkle baking soda into our tray. You just want a thin layer of baking soda cover the bottom of your tray. There we go. Okay, that should be good. Now, I'm going to bring over, move this a little bit. I'm going to bring over a tray so I can put our color food, our vinegar cups on there. They're easier to move around. Okay, so I have 8 cups. I don't know if I'm going to use them all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I'm going to pour vinegar into these cups. You only need a very little bit. There we go. So Mom and Dad can help you with this part of the activity. Okay. There we go. Okay, so we have vinegar in our cups. Now we're going to do coloring. This is also going to teach you how to make different colors. I do have bottles of liquid food coloring. Maybe I'll use those first. Okay, so I'm going to do, let's see, a dark red, crimson color. So I'm going to put this in there. A few drops of that in there. I think I'll grab a toothpicks anyways. So use the toothpicks to stir the, you're going to want to stir the vinegar so that it, and the food coloring so it mixes together. There. Okay, so that red is mixed together. Now we have, let's see, do brown. Oh, my brown isn't open. I'm going to open the brown food coloring. There we go. the lid back on. Drop some brown food coloring there. 1, 2. There we go. Brown. Stir that. So the vinegar turns brown. And do, oh, I have pink. If you don't have pink, red will lighten up when you put it in water. Stir that pink. Okay, there we go. Okay, so pink. I have orange. Again, my orange isn't open either. I think I have another orange that is open. Yeah, I'll use this one. Okay, so this is a gel food coloring, so I need to scoop it up with the toothpick. There we go. Ah, nice. Mix that in there. Okay. Next we'll get yellow. If you want to make green, you need yellow and blue, which I have. So maybe we'll make green too. Okay. Well, let's see. So we got, there's my blue. Oh, there it is. There's blue and yellow. So first I'm going to do blue and yellow, and then we're going to make green with the blue and yellow. Okay, so mix some blue. See our colors inside our cups. Okay, mix up these colors. There's blue. Now I'm going to make yellow. Mix that yellow. We've got our yellow food coloring. There we go. Stir it up. Stir up the food coloring. Get it all mixed together. Now I said I would make green, yes? So we're going to need our blue again. And our yellow. And that'll make green. So I'm going to got one drop of blue. Sometimes you have to kind of, my colors keep getting mixed up. My yellow go. I'm sorry, I can't find my yellow now. There it is. Okay, here's the yellow. So add that yellow to the green, to the blue. So I have yellow and I have blue in here. Oh, it's already turning a nice color of green. Okay. I don't know if you can see. A nice colored green, and a nice dark green too. Just the right amounts of blue and yellow. Okay, so do one more color. What color should I do? How about, I have a lot of purple. I can do purple. I think we'll do purple. Let's see which one is open. Not this one. Okay, maybe this one. Nope. Wow. All is purple, but I can't find the one that's open. Well, I can make purple with blue and red. So I'm going to get my red and the blue again. Okay. I have a blue here. So I'm going to do 2 drops of yellow. 1, 2. Or sorry, 2 drops of red. And then one drop of blue. We'll see what kind of purple that gives us. Grab our toothpick, mix it together, and see what kind of color we get. I don't know what we're going to get. We'll see. We need a little bit more red, I think. Get a purple color. I don't know. We'll see. I've mixed out the red, mixed the red and the blue together. We'll see what kind of, it doesn't really look like purple to me, but we'll see what comes out when we put it in the baking soda. Okay, so I'll put my colors away here. So they're out of the way. Okay, so we've got your eyedroppers ready. And I'm going to move our color off to the side. Now I'm going to move the camera down so you guys can see the baking soda experiment happening. So you won't see me in the camera, but you'll see the baking soda. Okay. All right, here we go. So move the camera down. You see the baking soda? Wait. Okay, so here's the baking soda, right? So we're going to take our vinegar and we're going to get an eyedropper. And I'm going to take green. You guys can do whatever color you want first. And you drop it onto the baking soda and see what happens. Woo! You see that? It's foaming up. So you're getting foam. Okay, let's try the purple we mixed. See what that color actually came out of that purple, out of that red and blue mixture. It's more of a black color, I think. Yeah. My mixing the purple didn't come together too well. Oh well. Okay, so I'm going to try, this time I'm going to try the blue. Oh, I'm getting a river of color coming down. Yours is probably staying all in one spot. Mine is moving around because the sheet has been tilted sideways. Let me try. I'm going to try pink because pink didn't mix too well with the vinegar, but we'll see how it does in the baking soda. Oh, it lightened up a lot when we dropped it on the baking soda. How about brown? Let's see what, maybe brown. We're gonna put this beside us because that purple we tried to make actually turned out brown. Yeah, and it did turn out brown. Too much blue, maybe? How about, I'm gonna go with that dark red that we did. So lighter red now. Drop it on. Kind of went a light red when we dropped on the baking soda. A little bit more on there. Now it's turning orange. It's a crimson color. Okay, let's try yellow. Oh, going over with our brown. What happens if our yellow goes with our blue? So you put the yellow on top of the blue, drops of blue vinegar, and it turns it green. Well, let's try some of that crimson color. See what happens when it goes onto the yellow. What's it going to do? Oh, it looks kind of like a color I might eat if it was a popsicle. Okay, let's do, we do orange? We didn't do orange yet. Okay, so let's do orange. So you can play with this and you can put the colors on top of each other and see what happens when you mix the different colors together. I'm gonna do the pink and the yellow, orange. I'll do the green and the orange. Orange and blue. I'll try. Put the yellow on the red. I went to an oranger color. Do some more red in here. Put it up top and watch it come to the bottom. kind of flows all over the place. So you can continue on to do this. You can make several different colors while you do for this activity, just by mixing colors together. You can make different patterns in the baking soda. Let's see what this stuff drops. I'm gonna do a big honking blob of green. There we go. Here's some big drops of green I'm doing. You can try and make a design. You get pretty fun, pretty neat little crevices inside the baking powder from the vinegar after it fizzes up and then it settles down. More yellow. There we go. You just keep doing this until you've made little fizzes and designs all throughout your baking soda mixture. I'll let you guys see mine one more time before I close off. I'm just running it over the different colors to see what happens. You get some pretty funky color mixtures in there when you mix them together. Okay, so here's my design. And that's it for today. I'm going to sign off now, and I will talk to you guys later. And I hope you enjoyed your time with me today. Let's see. So I'll say bye for now, and I will see you on Friday. I might not do a video on Friday. I think I'm going to try Skype, a meeting on Skype. So I will, anybody from the daycare that's listening, I will send out a link through Michelin to join me for what's called a meeting, a conference call on Skype. Okay, have a good day. See you later. Bye.